Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to turn on Dropbox notifications so you never miss an important update. Whether you're collaborating on files or managing shared projects, enabling notifications ensures you're always in the loop. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. If you're not, just enter your login details, and once you're in, you'll land on your Dropbox home screen. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the Account tab. This is where you can access your personal settings and preferences. In the top right corner, you'll see a small settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Go ahead and tap on that to open your settings menu. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll until you find the option that says Manage Notifications. Tap it to view all the available notification types. This section lets you choose exactly how you want Dropbox to keep you updated. Now you'll see several notification options, such as it mentions, comments on files, or tasks assigned to me. To turn on a notification, simply tap the toggle next to it. When the toggle turns blue or green, it means that notification is now active. You can switch on as many as you like depending on what's most important to your workflow. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this section at any time to turn off or adjust specific alerts. That way, you'll always have complete control over what updates you receive. And that's it. You've successfully turned on your Dropbox notifications. Now you'll get real-time updates whenever someone mentions you, comments on your shared files, or assigns you a new task. It's a simple setup that can make a big difference in staying organized and connected. Thanks for watching.